Hear what is going on. Can you hear what? Look at this man here. I will show you what he is saying. What he's saying. Did you see the problem that is in Nigeria? This is the governor of Ogun State, Prince Dakwa Abiodun. This is the man opening his mouth here, talking, protecting a man who is incapable. I will not blame him. Because incapability meets incapability, they become incapable plus. This man that is talking to you, I'm showing you here, is a man who in his state he is ruling as a governor. He don't even have road. If they do, let them come and bet me. Have you gone to Matogu? If you are in Matogu, tell us the state of the Matogu road. Have you been to Akute? Tell us. The state of Akute, the state of the bridge in Akute. Have you been in Ajunwa? Tell me how Ajunwa is, whether it is an express. Have you been to Ishaga, Okaro, Agbado? Tell me the state of this place. If you people are telling me that he's a capable governor, an incapable person will also protect an incapable person. Birds of identical plumage that congregates in propinquity. Birds of identical plumage. They are all there destroying and embezzling the fund of this country. And everybody is keeping mood. Thank God that people have reason to seek what they want, to seek for their rights. Not the time everyone will be speaking and be talking about ethnicity and thereabout. Everybody have reason. Prince Dakwa Abiodun, you are very fortunate that the people whom you are ruling, is very hungry, that they cannot lift their feet. Why there is no rampage, why there is no protest in Ogun State is that the people are tired. They are tired to the extent that they cannot move again. They are hungry to the extent they don't have strength again to move. If not, only this statement you have made to the television is capable enough for the people to start doing what they are supposed to do. You are very fortunate. They just see, they know, they saw you as somebody who is incapable. Let us bear till he finishes. Incapable people everywhere. You are protecting an incapable man who have ruined the state of this country. An incapable man. You have been a Lagos state governor doesn't mean that you can rule Nigeria. It doesn't give you the capacity to rule Nigeria. You have come to arouse anger in the hearts of men. First day, second day. We have not heard from the president of this country if he's a capable man. We have not heard from them. Rather, people that is around is soliciting for him what he's supposed to do. And you is protecting him. He's doing well, he's doing well, he's doing well. What has he done? All the law he has made here is hazard plus. Some are not, he will just go to his bedroom with his family and come up with a law. When the people revolt, he will change, the law will go to Eldorado. It will vanish. Is it how a country is to be ruled? Is it how America is? All these ministers now that have left the four shores of Nigeria, is it how the place they are going to is? You people don't learn good things. If anybody says something, you come up. See, let me tell you, it is high time we started doing things that is right in this country. We cannot longer condone this menace. This is impunity in the highest order. How can you beat somebody and tell him not to cry? How can you push a man and tell him, go and fall there? It is not done. It's an error. Dakwa Abiodun cannot build a road upon all the money that people are collecting on the road. They collect tax. Ogun State is the highest taxpayers. They collect tax from the motorcycle. If you are applying one route, you are going to pay like 500 before you reach that route in a day. And there is no common road in that place. And he is there opening mouth and protecting an incapable man. Look at that 17 people, as of yesterday, the second day of protest, has been reportedly dead. These are they not the children of men? These are children of men. Children of men and women. Hope of different houses. And you are keeping quiet. Nigeria is demanding for good governance. Not only good governance. Fuel subsidy must be that fuel subsidy must be returned. Fuel must be sold at least 200. We are the maker of fuel. 100. We are the maker. We cannot be higher than the people we are giving it to. It's an error. You should build a refinery in this country. You should remove all these unnecessary taxes. Look at Pampe. Pampe, if you send 20,000, they will collect 80 naira from you. If you send money, they will collect. Pampe, I am talking of Pampe. If you send 20,000, they collect 80 naira. Is it not a law that was made and enacted in Nigeria that they are doing it? They don't do that before. Go and check if what I am saying is wrong. Go and check. Pampe right now. I am very sure. Pampe, if you send 20,000 to your business, they will collect 8,000. They collect 80 naira. Check 20,000, how many that is being sent in Pampe in the whole country and how much they are making. We have a good governance. I don't blame Pampe. Pampe, go and check what I am saying if it is not true. I am a prophet. I am too big to lie to anybody. The 80 naira, calculate 80 naira to millions of people that operate on Pampe every day, every 20,000, 80 naira. How much it is? They are sucking this country raw. This government is sucking this country raw. Everybody is protesting. Both the rich are protesting. Our ministers are flee. Although I told them, if you don't fly, you see what happens. They have flee. They have entered their craft and left the shores of Nigeria. But I am telling you, all of you that are the ministers that have embezzled this fund, embezzled our community, embezzled our state, embezzled our nation, we pay for it. You people will pay for it. Nothing will make you, if you don't pay it in this life, you will pay it in hell. You pay it. You pay for it. Thank God the people have risen. We know you. We know you, all of you. We know where you belong. We know where you live. We know your account numbers. We know your step one by one. We know the car you are driving. We know the number. You will pay. If you don't pay on earth here, you will pay in hell. You will pay. All of you will pay. You pay it. People are there now considering how things will be fine. Somebody is opening mouth to protect. No, give him a chance. Give him a chance. We'll give him a chance in the hell to do it. You take an old man, you carry him and put in the seat. An old man that is not thinking of what will happen tomorrow. A man that is going to his grave is whom you are protecting. What will an old man do for you when he has drank his cup? What else can he do for you? Everywhere manipulation, everywhere forgery. Everything forge. Everything is illegality. Everywhere illegality. Forge. You have a master's degree that you did not go to school for. You have PhD that you did not go to school for. You forge certificate that is different from the certificate of the institution you said you are representing. Are you capable? This nonsense must stop. But you go and catch a small girl that forged certificate and penalize him. While you forged certificate. It's an error under the sun. We must not keep quiet and see these things going on. We must stop this nonsense. This nonsense must stop. We must stop it. Yes, we need to stop it. Let us see whether this country will come back again to life. We are on the state of going finally diminishing. And we want not to keep quiet. God said we should not keep quiet. He said, continue saying it. Whether they hear or they don't hear, one day karma will fall on their head and they will hear it by force. Subscribe to this channel. Let us see what will happen in Nigeria in the next time.